we dream we become, now we are divine!
Hello po sa inyong lahat! Sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa amin, we are Divine, and you can follow us po on our social media accounts. We are on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Spotify. Just search DIV9. And yung una po namin pinerform is actually our debut single. It's called Sheesh. Diba? 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 Yes. Under po yun ng, under yun sa ano? Hindi mo alam. Basta yan guys, under siya sa His Daddy Glenn. Yes. So mga to hindi alam eh. Sorry Dream. And we would like to invite everyone on December 28th, our year-end party at McDonald's Bonnie Barangka. And December 31, we're gonna be at the Carino Grandstand for the New Year countdown. So kung gusto niyo po mag-countdown with us, punta lang po kayo sa Carino Grandstand, dun sa may Luneta. So kita-kits na lang po dun. And for our next performance, it is under by Downward Music, is entitled My Villa